Living with Cam. My name is Camilla, and in today's video, we're going to be making another healthy version of our favorite recipes, nachos. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. If you want to see how I make these nachos, and just keep on watching. Okay, so one of the first things we're going to do to make these nachos healthier is we're actually going to bake our own tortilla chips using the Mission Carb Balance whole wheat tortillas. Not only are these low carb, but it's going to be lower fat than traditional tortilla chips because we're not frying them, we're putting them in the oven. So what you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees, which I have already done. I'm going to take about 4 of my tortillas out. I'm going to spray both sides of them with some non-stick vegetable cooking spray. Then I'm going to cut them into 6 pieces. Okay, so to the top of these, I'm just going to add some of my pink salt. You want a finer salt so that it and we're just going to place these in the oven for between 12 to 15 minutes. And we're going to flip them halfway through. Okay, so while our tortilla chips are cooking in the oven, I'm going to make my faux sour cream. And you guys have seen me make this before. All I do is take some Greek non-fat yogurt, plain. Make sure that it's plain Greek yogurt because I accidentally got vanilla one time and it was not the same. I'm just gonna take a small container of it because I'm only making like one thing of nachos, so I don't need that much. I'm going to take a lime and slice that. And I probably only need half of this lime because it's a pretty nice sized lime. Yeah, I don't even need the full half of it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of salt to it. And a little bit of my onion powder just to give it a little extra pizzazz. But I normally don't add this, but I just want to add a little something extra to it. Feel free to leave it out. And then we're just going to mix this up together and let it sit in the refrigerator so that all of the flavors can mesh well together. Okay, so I just flipped my tortilla chips. They're almost done cooking, and I also just put our sour cream in the refrigerator. Now we're gonna make some guacamole. So all I've done is prep some onion. I've chopped it up, and half of a tomato. I'm going to cut up a whole avocado. Okay, so now that we have our avocado chopped in our bowl, we're going to just add some of our onion. Here we chop some tomato. And you know, kind of adjust it and add things to your liking. We're gonna add the rest of that avocado, that lime, that half that we sliced. And I like my guacamole very limey. So I'm gonna add the other half as well. I'm gonna add some salt. I'm gonna add some onion powder. And I'm going to add some garlic powder. And then with my fork, I'm just gonna mash up everything and mix it together. Okay, so now for our nachos, we're gonna cook up some ground chicken and onions. We're gonna spray our pan with some cooking spray and add some onions to the pan. You can feel free to leave the onion on if you don't care for it. We're just gonna cook these for a little bit until they become translucent and then add the meat to the pan. Okay, our onions have cooked down. Now we're just adding our ground chicken to the pan. We're gonna toss these and then burst this up a little bit, and then we're gonna add our seasoning to it. We're gonna add some goya. We're going to add some of our garlic powder. We're going to add some oregano. It's kind of going to give it that taco seasoning flavor. We're also going to add some cumin. I'm telling you, once you add these seasonings, you will not miss the little taco seasoning packets. I do use them from time to time, but to me, this tastes so much better and it's less salty. I'm sorry, now I'm adding some chili powder. I'm just going to continue to cook this in our pan until the chicken is cooked all the way through. So here we have our tortilla chips, and I just want you guys to hear how crispy they are. They turned out crispy just like regular tortilla chips. Our meat mixture is done, so we're gonna layer these nachos. So I'm gonna put some meat on this section of them. Then y'all know I always use my Fiesta blend cheese. I'm just gonna add some of that. Then add another layer of chips on top. Then add some more meat. And you could just do one individual layer if you want to. This is just how I like mine. I'm gonna add some more cheese on top of that. And then we have our oven still preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna put these in the oven for about 10 minutes or so, just until the cheese melts. So here are our completed nachos. I'm just gonna add some salsa to the top. I'm gonna add some of that guacamole that we made. going to add some of our homemade sour cream. And here's our completed dish. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me some comments down below. Let me know what you want to see next time. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Share it with someone who you think might enjoy it. Subscribe and click that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Have a blessed week. Bye.